We have a package. We have a package. We have a package. So this is from Castello, and Castello creates on TikTok. Yes. We did a mask trade. Y'all might have seen my half. I'm just getting to this box because I've been grounded. So we're gonna open this. Okay, here we go. Let me take a minute to admire all the like drawings before I like open this box. Look at her. Look at her. God. Okay. And a little alien. Okay. Oh, little certificate. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It says I'm home. Oh, so cute. Oh. Yeah, it says, thank you so much for your collaboration. This is a collaboration happening and I'm so grateful with you. Oh, Castello! I cannot wait to see this. Yes. Awesome. I love this. I'm going to hang this on my wall. More wrapping tape. Oh my gosh, is that really good? Okay. We got a little bear. We got stickers. Little stickers. We got more stickers. We love stickers. They will be going on my bed frame. Oh my gosh. Cat stickers. Oh my gosh. Oh, no face. We love. Okay, I'm gonna put this over here so I don't lose anything in the grass. Oh, kitty. So cute. Ah, pin. Okay, so this is going on Snoopy. This is going on my Snoopy. This is going on my Snoopy. This is going on my Snoopy. This is going on Snoopy. Oh my gosh. Oh, so cute. Oh, candy. I'm gonna eat this. There's more. There's so much. Holy cow. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is the Where's my makeup? Look at that. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, little sun necklace. Oh, no, I don't know if you can. A little sun necklace, so cute. I'm gonna eat it. I will be eating all of this. I hope you know that. Now for the big. Oh my gosh, the ears are huge. Making sure there's nothing else in here. So okay. Y'all get to look before I get to look. Oh, it's soft. Okay, I'm gonna look away. Wait. Oh, I saw a little bit of it. Oh, yeah. Y'all see it? Oh my gosh, the lining. Oh my goodness. So cute. Oh my gosh, she's precious. Oh my gosh. Oh. Look at that! Look at how pretty she is!
Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! She's so pretty! Oh my goodness!
Look at her. Stop! That's so cute! Okay, I'm gonna put her on. Look how cute! She's so pretty! And I can just like, her ears are bendable. I love this so much. Y'all will be seeing this in a lot of videos now. I hope you know that. This is so cute. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I can't. I'm so excited. Okay. That's all. Okay. Thank you, Castello. This is awesome. Please go check out Castello. Thank you, Castello. And I will be taking care of this mask, and I will be loving it. And yes. Oh wait. Oh my God.